Common are well known. In themselves doesn't much matter. Revelation is meant to restore truth and good lost from the former. Opposition is not the point in differences according to the latter. Situations, direct principles, and remembrance of beings into the future. And this was on different periods of expression regarding scripture, different time, place, circumstance. We're not saying that one scripture is better than another or that sort of thing. It's that if they're actually the sacred scripture, they have their time, they have their place. And some were of a small locality, some were of a larger region, some are of one degree of importance from henceforth, others aren't. It's not that, others are of actually universal importance from henceforth, but some are, contain the information that leads towards accepting the more relevant scripture for a time and place. But people like to get into this foolish thing of one prophet being better than the others, and when they, well, what about the legacy? What about the memory of the others that led such and such prophet to, be in such and such position to get such and such accomplished? Even though it came through revelation, don't you think some of that lasts?